Be honest.
Annyeong, good morning. It's 5:30 and I am getting ready to go to Seoul. So I'm gonna bring you guys with me. Almost 3 hour trip via bus from my city. So I am gonna be sleeping at the bus for sure. So I'm just gonna do my skincare, change my clothes, and I have to go. Today I'll be in Seoul because I have to meet my friend from the US, and then I will be attending a fansign event for chuu, and between that I will be going to a film store to develop my film cameras. I'm gonna put my sunscreen and let's go change our clothes. Here's my outfit for my Seoul trip. I got here a top from Nerdy, and then I also have the pants from Nerdy. It's also a new one. Anyway, let me just remove the tags and see you in a bit. I only have 5 minutes before I have to go out. This is the outfit. My shoes, I'm gonna be using my New Balance shoes. And if ever I get cold inside the bus, I will use this. This is also from Nerdy, a windbreaker from Nerdy, but this was a gift given by my oppa. And for my but for my backpack, I have this. It's my cameras, tablet, and to complete the look, I'm gonna be using my Philips headset. Let's go, guys.
되어 있습니다. 화재 시 안전핀을 제거한 후 손잡이
I'm in Seoul now, but I slept only. So let's do my makeup. I just met my friend from the US, and now I don't have any heavy things to carry, and now I can vlog freely. So next stop, we're gonna go to the film shop. Okay, my number is cold, so let's go order. Now it's time to go to the studio for my film development. I'm done with my film camera developing. It's so cheap, guys. I think you can go there if you're in Korea. The name of the studio is Kore Sajingwan. It's near Chungmoro Station and Myeongdong Station. There's a lot of people. Oh, finally I'm here. 도착했습니다.
야, 오늘 천사다. 천사다, 천사.
고마워. 다들 오늘 이 옷 마음에 들어 하시네.
헬멧 친구들도 그렇고 헬멧 친구들도 그렇고 이 옷 입으니까 막 너무 좋아했어. 다들 잘 지냈어요?
네.
일주일 동안 뭐 했어요? 왜 못 지냈어요?
지금 못 봐서.
다른 사람 보러 갔었잖아.
어디로 튈지 모를 어떤 이상 서로 매일 널 자기 행동에 꿈을 기록해 Cause I'm only crying in a rain 오늘 자꾸 그만해 Cause I'm only crying in the rain 힘을 주는 제꼭 오늘 밤을 기록해 Cause I'm only crying in the rain
믿습니다. 오늘부터 믿을게요.
소리 들렸어요. 돈가스 드세요?
슈아트 해줄 사람.
찍을 거예요.
떡볶이 먹을 거예요?
네.
떡볶이 먹으러 가야겠다.
그럼 고마워. 나 자꾸 떡볶이랑 샤브샤브 추천하지 말라 그러니까.
사랑해.
So that's it, guys. I'm in Sokcho now. That's my day in Seoul. So I hope you enjoyed my vlog. And I'm just waiting for my sundo. So that's it. See you next vlog. Annyeong!